Did you do a 116 jump with equipment? With equipment. Walang halimot sa amin.
Full combat regala.
Medicines, battle of cases of beer.
Kaysa.
And then also I jump with the goat. You ever jump with the goat? No, I did. Give it to the barangay captain. She liked goats. Okay.
We need to.
My coursework will be for 2 years, sir, and until fall this year, sir.
Hey, I'm giving this to the foundation.
Yes, sir.
It's about General MacArthur and the American West Pointers who died in the Philippines during World War II. And the complete books are here. They have the complete. And I'm also, they also have on record what I wrote about the first PMA graduate who was a black American, Robert Dance. He died here. He lived
Recently.
here.
In Northern
He's a
Virginia.
retirement. Class of 68 PMA. Ano ka? PMA ka ba?
OCS, sir.
OCS
Yes, sir.
sa Tanay?
Yes, sir.
Saan yung card mo?
I don't have the card, sir, but I can give some details to you.
Napakakuripot mo. Yung card mo.
I'm a student, sir.
No, this is